Welcome to Scholarship Guidance Center. I am Anil Joshi sir, and today's topic is 10th standard Maths 1 Arithmetic Progression. In that we see problem set 3. Okay. Now question number 1. Choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following sub questions and 1 marks each. Okay. First question is the sequence -10, -6, -2, 2 dot dot dot. Options are is an AP region, D is equals to -16, that is common difference. Is an AP region, D is equals to 4. Is an AP region, D is equals to -4 and is not an AP. Now see how to solve this. Now see how to find common difference. Here T1 is equals to -10, T2 is equals to -6, T3 is equals to -2, T2 minus T1, okay, T2 is -6, minus T1 is -10. Now tell me -6 as it is, minus plus 10, -6 plus 10, answer is 4 because 10 minus 6, 4. Similarly, T3 minus T2, T3 is -2, minus T2 is -6. Now -2 minus plus 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Therefore, common difference is 4. And see, therefore, your answer is an AP. Region D is equals to 4. Okay. Now, question number 2. First 4 terms of an AP are dash dash dash. Whose 4 terms, whose first term is -2 and common difference is -2. बघा फर्स्ट टर्म दिली आहे -2 आणि कॉमन डिफरन्स पण काय दिलेला आहे -2. नाउ सी व्हॉट इज गिवन. A is equals to -2 and D is also equals to -2. Okay. How to find out first term, that is T1 is equals to A is equals to -2. Okay. How to find out T2? We know T1 plus D. T1 is -2 plus D is also -2. Okay. Again -2 plus -2, -2 -4. Now T3 is equals to T2 plus D. We know formula T3 is equals to T2 plus D. T2 is -4 plus D is -2. Okay. -4 -2, that is -6. Then T4 is equals to T3 plus D. T3 is -6 plus D is -2. That is -6 -2. Answer is -8. Then what is given? -8. T5 is equals to T4 plus D. T4 is how much? -8 plus D is -2. That is -8 -2 -10. And therefore first terms, 5 terms are -2. T2 is -4, then -6, -8, -10. This is your answer. Okay. Now see, where is your answer? Your answer is here. See, -2, -4, -6 and -8. Okay. Now next question is, what is the sum of first 30 natural numbers? Okay. Now first tell me natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And we have to find out first 30 natural numbers. 30 natural number is 30th one. Okay. Now this T30 means what? Tn, last term. Okay. 30 means last term. Then A is equals to 1, that is first term. Now tell me difference between two consecutive term is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay. Whenever sum is asked, we have to use formula for Sn is equals to n upon 2. Okay. Then T1 plus Tn. Why I take Tn? Because last term is known, that is 30. Last number is 30. Okay. and therefore s n means how much, किती टर्मची विचारली आहे तर n इज इक्वल्स टू किती 30, पहिले 30 नंबर बरोबर. तो S30 इज इक्वल्स टू 30/2. Then T1 is how much 1. This A means T1, no, first term. See, this is first term 1 plus Tn is 30. Okay, and this is equals to 30/2 is 2 1 जा 2 15 जा 15 to the 30 15, and 30 plus 1 is 31. That is 31 multiplied by 15. See here, 15 1 जा 15, 1 carry, 15 3 जा 45 plus 1 46, and your answer is 465. Very easy question. Okay, see your answer is 465. The next question is, for an given arithmetic progression T7 is equals to 4 and D is equals to -4, then A is equals to question mark. Now see what is given. T7 is equals to 4 and common difference is equals to -4. We have to use your formula. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. I take this side in this side, that is A plus n minus 1 D is equals to T7. Now value of A is unknown, plus n is how much, see here 7. I write here n is equals to 7. 7 minus 1 into D is how much, -4, and T7 is 4. Okay, therefore A 7 minus 1 is A plus, no, 7 minus 1 is 6 into -4 is equals to 4. Therefore A 6 4 जा A minus 24. Why it is minus, plus minus minus is equals to 4, and therefore A is equals to 4 minus 24 becomes plus 24. That is value of A is 28. Very easy question. Okay, now see question number 5. A is equals to 3.5, D is equals to 0, n is equals to 101. Then we have to find out Tn. Tn means last term. Okay, Tn. Now n is given, okay, D is given, A is given. Very easy. Tn is equals to, what is the formula for Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D. Now your A is how much, 3.5. I write here Tn is equals to, plus n is 101 minus 1 into D is 0. Now see here Tn is equals to 3.5 as it is. Now see 101 minus 1, that is 100, multiply by 0. Any number multiply by 0, answer is 0, and therefore Tn is equals to 3.5 plus 0, that is 3.5. Very easy. Then next question is, for an AP first two terms are -3 4, then 21st term is dash dash. Okay, see what is given. First term is T1 is equals to -3, second term T2 is equals to 4. We have to find out T21. That means n is equals to how much, 21. Okay, A is equals to how much, first term is A, that is -3. Then how to find out D, common difference, T2 minus T1. T2 is 4 minus T1 is -3. That is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. That is your common difference. 4 plus 3 7. Now use formula for Tn. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. T21, because n is equals to 21 is equals to A कितना है, A is -3 plus n is 21 minus 1 into D is how much here, D is 7, and therefore this comes to be equals to -3 plus 21 minus 1 is 20 multiplied by 7. This is equals to -3 plus 27 जा 140. Okay, and 140 minus 3, answer is 137. That is T21 is equals to 137. Now question number 7 is, see question number 7, D is equals to 5. We have to find out T18 minus T13. Now see T18 means what, first I write T18. Tn, formula is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now see n is equals to, I take n is equals to 18 because T18 is given. Now T18 is equals to A plus n means 18 minus 1 into D कितना है 5. Okay, and this is equals to A plus 18 minus 1 is 17 multiplied by 5. Okay, now A plus 17 5 are 85. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is your T18. Okay, now we have to find out T13. How to find out T13 here? T13 is equals to A plus n minus 1 means 13 minus 1 into D is how much? Common difference is 5. That is given. Now see here T13 is equals to A plus 13 minus 1 is 12 into 5. A plus 12 5 are how much? 12 5 are 60. That is your T13. Okay. Suppose this is second. Now subtract second from first. Okay. Subtracting second from first we get. Now second से first subtract करते हैं. Second क्या है? T18 minus T13 is equals to T18 is how much? A plus 85 minus T13 is A plus 60. Okay. Now this is equals to A plus 85 minus A minus plus minus 60. Now plus A minus A gets cancelled and 85 minus 60 is 25 and therefore your last answer is T18 minus T13 is equals to how much? 25. That is option number C is there in your textbook. Option number C 25. Right answer in this way. C 25. Okay. See your answer is 25. Okay. Now next question is sum of first 5 multiples of 3 is 5 multiples of 3. First tell me 5 multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Okay. We have to find out sum of these 5 multiples of 3. That is A is equals to first term is equals to 3. Then D is equals to 3 का टेबल है तो डिफरेंस कितना आएगा 3 आएगा बराबर है. ठीक है. 5 मल्टीपल्स का मतलब n is equals to 5. Now sum is there, therefore we have to use formula Sn is equals to n by 2. Okay. 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now n is how much? S5. 5 upon 2. 2 into A is 3 plus 5 minus 1 into D is also 3. This comes to be equals to 5 upon 2. Okay. 5 by 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 multiplied by 3 and this is equals to 5 upon 2. 6 plus 4 3s are 12. Okay. Then this is equals to 5 upon 2. 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. That is 5 multiplied by 9. And 5 multiplied by 9 answer is S5 is equals to 45. And therefore sum of 5 multiples of 3 is 45. See question is sum of first 5 multiples of 3 is how much? A45. Right answer as A45. Then next question is 15 10 5 dot dot dot. In this AP the sum of first 10 terms is, sum of first 10 terms means S10. Okay. See here A is equals to how much? 15. Okay. D is equals to T2 minus T1, that is 10 minus 15. Okay. 10 minus 15, that is minus 5. 15 minus 10 5 and sign of minus. Okay. Then n is equals to how much? 10. Our formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 multiply by d, and S10 is equals to 10 upon 2. Okay, 2 into a means 15 plus, now see here, 10 upon 2, 2 into 15 plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 into minus 5d. Now 5 as it is, 2 1 are 2 5 are 10, 15 2 are 30, plus 10 minus 1 is 9, multiply by minus 5, and 5 as it is 30, 9 5 are 45, plus minus minus 5 as it is, 30 minus 45 is minus 15, 45 minus 30 is 15. Okay, then 5 into minus 15, answer is 15 5 are 75, that is minus 75, and therefore your last answer is option A, minus 75. Next question is, in an AP, first term is first and the last term is 20. The sum of all terms is 399. Sum is Sn is given. Then we have to find out n is equals to question mark. Now see here what is given. T1, that is A, is equals to 1. Tn is equals to 20. And Sn is equals to 399. First I write Tn. Now see how to solve this. T1 is equals to first, Tn is equals to 20, and Sn is equals to 399, that is given. We have to find out n. Now use formula for Sn is equals to n by 2, T1 plus Tn. Now Sn is given, that is 399. I write here 399 is equals to n by 2. T1 is first, that is m is T1, and Tn is 20, that is given. Okay. Now see here these two divide gets multiply here, and therefore 399 multiplied by 2 is equals to n. 20 plus 1 is 21. Again this 21 gets multiplied, divide, that is 399 into 2 divided by 21 is equals to n, that is 399 divided by 21. Okay, do this division. 21 1s are 21, 8 1 9, 21 9s are 189. Okay, and therefore answer is 19. 21 1s are 21, 19s are. Okay, now 19 multiplied by 2 is equals to n, and therefore n is equals to 19 2s are 38 is your last answer. Okay, that is option number B, and write in this way 38, that is your answer. Okay, the next question is, find the fourth term from the 8 in an AP, minus 11 minus 8 minus 5 डॉट 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 49. एंड बोला है, और एंड का मतलब उल्टा करना है, मीन्स पहले 49 लेंगे, बराबर. Now see given AP is minus 11, okay, then minus 8 minus 5 dot dot dot, last number is 49. Okay, we have to take reverse. Reverse means first term is 49 for reverse AP. Okay, reverse AP is 49 dot 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 minus 5, सब उल्टा लिखना है, minus 8 and minus 11. Okay, now tell me A is equals to how much? A is equals to 49, that is your T1. Okay, A is equals to 49. Then how to find out D? Very easy. D is equals to, suppose this number minus this number, that is minus 8 minus minus 5. आपको मालूम है आगे का और पीछे का सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, that is minus 8 plus 5. Minus 8 plus 5, answer is minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. Minus 8 plus 5, answer is minus 3. Okay, then Tn is equals to, what is the formula for Tn? Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, now we have to find out fourth term from this side. Okay, fourth term, that is n is equals to how much? 4. Remember, n is equals to 4. T4 is equals to, A is how much? 49 plus n is 4 minus 1 into D is how much? Minus 3. That is T4 is equals to 49 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 into minus 3. that is T4 is equals to 49 as it is, plus minus minus 9, that is T4 is equals to 49 minus 9 is 40, and therefore fourth term from the end I write here, therefore fourth term from the end okay, from the end of given AP is 40. Okay, that is your last answer. Is it right? This ends your question number first and second of problem set 3. Okay, in next lecture we will see remaining questions.